Children, today I will discuss about the last topic of the chapter, physical education and sports for the children with special needs. The topic for the day is strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special needs. What is the topic? The topic is strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special needs. Okay? What is the strategy? Physical activities for disabled children is specifically designed program with special needs, considering the type of disability or disorder. Physical education programs in a modified way helps for the development. Physical education programs in a modified way helps for the development of which? For the disabled. Teaching recreation and play. Modified programs of the physical education help for the development, teaching, recreation and play. Adapted or specially designed physical education program is about meeting the unique needs. Adapted or specially designed physical education program is about meeting the unique needs of individual students have disabilities. Okay? In adapted physical education, the instructor provides, in adapted physical education, the physical education instructor provides planning and assessment. Okay? Physical education instructor provides the planning and assessment for the disabled students. It provides consultation for the general physical education teacher. Consultation for general physical education teacher. There are two types of the physical education teacher: general physical education teacher and adapted physical education teacher. They provide specially designed instruction, specially designed instruction. It is very important for the development of disabled students. They provide adapts or modified curriculum. Adapts or modified curriculum for the disabled students. Task for special students. It is very important because we are able, but those children are disabled. Task for the special student that should be modified. Equipments Equipments are very important. We can play any games and sports to the any type of the equipments, but for disabled, the equipment should be specially designed. Specific environment, it is very important for everyone. Specific environment, we can play in any environment, but they are disabled, cannot play in all types of the environment. Example, the ground should be well leveled, the weather should be clean, clear. So specific environment is also a important instructions for the disabled, so a child can participate in all aspects of the physical education. Okay, adapted physical education teacher and general physical education teacher work together to design meaningful and beneficial instruction for all students. Please pay attention. Adapted physical education teacher and general physical education teachers work together. They work together to design at the time of preparing the curriculum. Give the design that should be meaningful, beneficial for all students. They are disabled. Many students with disabilities can safely and successfully participate in general physical education programs with or without accommodation and supports. However, some children benefit from specially designed or adapted physical education program. Okay. However, some children benefit from the specially designed or adapted physical education program. The content, please note it. The content in adapted physical education, should mirror the general physical education curriculum. Mirror the general physical education curriculum. To the greatest extent possible, because physical education is a required component of special education. It is very important for us, and though children are disabled, also very important for the development of health and fitness. So the following strategies should be taken in the consideration to make physical activities accessible for the children with special needs are: proper medical checkup. It is very important point of the strategies. What is proper medical checkup? First of all, it is essential to have a medical checkup of all the children with special needs, with various disabilities. It may be vary, because without medical checkup, the teachers of physical education cannot come to know about the type of disability. The type of disability is very important to know the instructor. the child is facing which type of the problem. Indeed, we really want to make physical activity accessible for the children with special needs. We need to understand the type of disability in the children. Okay, the other strategy is physical activities must be based on interest of children. Interest is very important. Interest is the mother of learning. Physical activities must be based on the interest, aptitude, ability, previous experience and the limitations of the children with special needs. So the teachers of the physical education should have a deep knowledge of limitations, interest, aptitude of the children. After that, the physical activities can be made accessible for the children with special needs more easily. So, at the time of preparing the programs should be interested. The next strategy is equipment related to physical activity should be according to the needs of the children. Equipments related to physical activity should be according to the needs of the children. The equipments, tools, objects related to physical activity should be according to the needs of the children. It is very important. Equipments, tools, objects related to the physical activity should be according to the needs. These equipments should vary in size, shape, color and weight. Why you will provide the various type of the equipment? Because they are disabled. Some are blind, some are deaf, some are the physically impaired. So at the time of farming it, we will provide the different shape of the ball, different size, colors, weight. These equipment should be according to the capability and level of the children. It is very important point. These equipment should be according to the capability and level of the children. The child with visual impairment should use bright colored ball, and a yarn thread should be tied to the ball to bring the ball back to children. Okay, so various types of the equipments must be provided to children with special needs. A specific environment should be provided. It is very important strategy. A specific environment, we can play in any climate, environment, but those are the disabled. So at the time of the preparing, the area of the physical activity should be limited. The area of physical activity should be limited as movement capability of children with special needs are limited. Especially in case of children who have autism disorder. Those children are suffering from the autism disorder. They must be provided specific playing area because they may need more time to get relaxed. We are physically fit. We can play maximum duration of the time and we recovered very quickly. But the disabled, his or her working capacity are less in comparison of physically fit. Light and sound are also vital for the making good environment for such children. Light and sound are also vital for the making good environment for such students. Ground should be well labeled. Ground should be properly fenced for the protection, for the safety, etc. Okay? The next strategy is to make physical activities accessible for the children with special needs is a variety of different instructional strategies should be used. What is the strategy? A variety of different instructional strategies should be used for performing various types of the physical activities. A variety of different instructional strategies such as verbal, visual and peer teaching. Please pay attention. The strategies for disabled should be verbal, visual and peer teaching. It can give children the opportunity to start learning on their own and become more independent. They are dependent. Our task focused to make them independent. Pictorial books are also vital in terms of instructions regarding physical activity. The next strategies for disabled students is rules should be modified. Rules should be modified according to the needs of the children with special needs. The rules should be modified. In the beginning, starting time for the learner, rules of the physical activity should be simple. In starting time, the rules of the physical activity should be simple, but later on these rules can be modified according to the needs of the children. Practice makes perfect. When they will start the practice, really they will learn more. So later we can modify the rules according to his or her needs. They can be provided extra attempt at the time of the activity training. We will provide the extra time, extra attempts to perform the physical activities. Why? Because when we will provide the extra attempt, extra time, they will learn more. Okay? They can also be given additional resting time at the time of preparing the curriculum. It should be in our agenda. Additional resting time is also important before doing the next physical activity because they are disabled. Okay, the next strategy is children's previous experience must be taken into consideration. Children's previous experience must be taken into consideration for making physical activities more accessible for the children with special needs, the concerned teacher of physical education, the teacher of the physical education should have comprehensive understanding and knowledge of the children's previous experience about physical activity. So a teacher should be expert, trained and vigilant to see his her all activity and notice, guide properly according to the nature of activities. Okay. The last strategy is well instructed and trained properly under expert. It is very important point. Well instructed and trained properly under experts. Before participation in physical activity, they should be well instructed. Why? What is the role of the instruction? Because you are giving the training or physical activities for the disabled children. So before participation in physical activities, all the instructions should be well instructed in advance. They should also be given the sufficient training and coaching to participate in any activity under expert observation with full safety measure. 2 points. Expert observation with full safety measures. Protective equipments are very important for the safety of the disabled students. Before going to the ground or before participating to any activity, provide the safety equipments, protective equipment. Okay, in conclusion, it can be said that the above mentioned strategies are significant to make physical activity accessible for children with special needs. Okay, that's all. Thank you.